Welcome to our channel dedicated to exploring the world of electric vehicle conversions, and today we'll delve into the realm of EV conversions, showcasing the top 15 most impressive projects in the field. The popularity of electric vehicle conversions has been steadily growing in recent years, driven by several factors. Firstly, environmental concerns and the desire for sustainability have prompted many individuals to seek alternatives to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Additionally, the advancements in battery and electric motor technology have made EV conversions more feasible and appealing. Moreover, the customization options and the ability to breathe new life into classic or outdated vehicles attract enthusiasts and innovators alike. In selecting the top 15 EV conversions, we considered various criteria including performance, aesthetics, uniqueness, and innovation. Each conversion showcased in this video represents the pinnacle of electric vehicle engineering, combining cutting-edge technology with unparalleled craftsmanship. Now, let's dive into the first section where we showcase the top 5 coolest EV converted cars. Our first featured conversion is the stunning Tesla-powered 1965 Ford Mustang. The Tesla-powered 1965 Ford Mustang is a notable example of automotive innovation, combining the classic appeal of the original Mustang with modern electric propulsion technology. This conversion typically involves replacing the traditional internal combustion engine with an electric motor, along with installing a large battery pack for power storage. Such conversions often result in improved performance, with instant torque delivery and quiet operation. Range varies depending on the battery capacity and configuration. Customizations may include updated instrumentation, regenerative braking systems, and modified suspension to accommodate the additional weight. Conversion companies like Electric GT have gained recognition for their expertise in retrofitting classic cars with electric powertrains. Next up, we have the electrifying Porsche 911. The Porsche 911 is an iconic sports car first introduced in 1963. Numerous iterations have evolved, epitomizing luxury and performance. In recent years, several companies and individuals have undertaken electrification conversions for the classic model. Conversions typically involve replacing the original motor with an electric one, integrating a battery system, and enhancing range. Performance varies based on the conversion, but electric versions often exhibit instant torque and smooth acceleration. Customizations may include modern infotainment systems and personalized interior finishes. Conversion companies like Electric Motors and individuals such as EV West have been prominent in this niche market, providing enthusiasts with sustainable alternatives. Moving on to our third featured conversion, we have the vintage Volkswagen Beetle transformed into an eco-friendly powerhouse. The transformation of a vintage Volkswagen Beetle, particularly a model from the 1960s or 1970s, into an eco-friendly powerhouse involves several key modifications. The conversion typically includes replacing the original internal combustion engine with an electric motor, powered by a high-capacity battery pack. This upgrade enhances the vehicle's sustainability, reducing carbon emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. The range of the converted Beetle varies depending on the battery capacity but often extends to over 100 miles on a single charge. Performance specifications may see improvements in torque and acceleration, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. Unique features and customizations may include regenerative braking systems, modern interior amenities, and aerodynamic enhancements. Conversion companies or skilled individuals, such as EV West or Electric Motors, are often behind these projects, utilizing their expertise in electric vehicle conversions to breathe new life into classic automobiles. Our fourth showcased conversion is the futuristic Tesla-powered DeLorean DMC-12. The Tesla-powered DeLorean DMC-12 is a captivating fusion of classic design and cutting-edge electric technology. Originally a symbol of 1980s automotive innovation, this iconic car model, transformed by electric conversion, now boasts enhanced performance and sustainability. The conversion typically involves replacing the original internal combustion engine with a Tesla electric motor and battery system, substantially improving acceleration and efficiency. With impressive range and quick charging capabilities, it offers a refined driving experience, blending nostalgia with modern convenience. Customizations may include upgraded suspension and braking systems, as well as modern interior amenities. Conversion specialists like Electric GT are prominent in this niche, ensuring meticulous craftsmanship and engineering expertise. And finally, rounding up our top 5 coolest EV converted cars, we have the electrified classic Mini Cooper. The electrified classic Mini Cooper, based on the original model from the 1960s, has undergone a transformation to embrace modern technology. The conversion typically involves replacing the traditional internal combustion engine with an electric motor, accompanied by a battery pack. This conversion results in improved efficiency and reduced emissions. Range varies depending on battery capacity but can typically reach around 100 miles on a single charge. Performance specs are enhanced with instant torque delivery, providing spirited acceleration and a smooth driving experience. Customizations may include modern interior amenities and advanced infotainment systems while retaining the classic aesthetic. Conversion companies like Swindon Powertrain are prominent in this field, ensuring high-quality conversions and preserving the iconic charm of the Mini Cooper. Now, let's shift our focus to the top 5 coolest EV converted non-cars. Our first non-car conversion is the electrified Harley-Davidson motorcycle. The Harley-Davidson motorcycle, a quintessential icon of American motorcycling, underwent a remarkable conversion by integrating an electric motor, battery system, and improved range. The conversion enhanced performance, preserving the original model's essence while delivering a silent yet exhilarating driving experience. Customizations and unique features were added, showcasing the craftsmanship of the conversion company. Next, we have the converted electric school bus revolutionizing sustainable transportation. The introduction of electric school buses marks a transformative shift in sustainable transportation. Converting traditional models like the 2022 Ford E-Series into electric variants involves retrofitting with electric motors, high-capacity batteries, extending range. Enhanced torque and quiet operation redefine the driving experience. Customizations include advanced safety features. Renowned conversion companies like Lightning Systems lead this eco-friendly revolution. Moving forward, we showcase the electric-powered delivery truck designed for emission-free urban logistics. The electric-powered delivery truck is purposefully engineered for emission-free urban logistics, addressing environmental concerns while enhancing efficiency. Featuring battery-powered propulsion, it eliminates exhaust emissions, reducing carbon footprint in densely populated areas. Its design prioritizes maneuverability and cargo capacity, ensuring seamless delivery operations within urban settings while contributing to sustainable transportation solutions. Our fourth featured non-car conversion is the electric-powered boat sailing towards a greener future. Electric-powered boats symbolize a shift towards sustainability in marine transportation. Utilizing clean energy sources, such vessels minimize environmental impact by reducing emissions and noise pollution. With advancements in battery technology and renewable energy integration, electric boats offer a promising solution for a greener, more sustainable maritime industry. And finally, we highlight the converted electric aeroplane pushing the boundaries of clean aviation technology. Electric airplanes represent a transformative leap in clean aviation technology, pushing boundaries towards sustainable air travel. With zero emissions during flight, they mitigate environmental impact significantly. Advancements in battery technology enable longer flights, expanding their viability. As innovation progresses, electric planes promise to revolutionize the aviation industry with their eco-friendly approach. Before we proceed, let's briefly discuss the pros and cons of DIY versus professional EV conversions. DIY conversions offer enthusiasts the opportunity to learn and experiment with electric vehicle technology. However, they require significant technical expertise, time, and resources. Professional conversions, on the other hand, ensure quality craftsmanship and expertise but can be costly. Nevertheless, they provide peace of mind and access to advanced technologies. For those interested in DIY conversions, there are online communities, forums, and resources such as EVTV and DIY Electric Car that offer guidance and support throughout the conversion process. Looking ahead, the future of EV conversions holds immense potential for innovation and advancement. With ongoing developments in battery technology, electric motors, and vehicle-to-grid integration, EV conversions are poised to become even more efficient, affordable, and accessible to a wider audience. Exciting projects such as wireless charging systems, modular battery packs, and autonomous driving capabilities are shaping the future landscape of EV conversions. In recap, we've explored the top 15 most impressive EV conversions, spanning from classic cars to unconventional vehicles, showcasing the ingenuity and creativity of electric vehicle enthusiasts. We encourage you to learn more about EV conversions and consider the possibility of electrifying your own vehicle to contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable future.